Pawar Chidsavangti is the most attractive Thai actor. His stage name is date of birth is 22nd March 2000. Currently, is 24 years old. Bangkok, Thailand is where was born. In 2016, made his debut. He is well known for his leading parts in the films Bad Buddy, The Shepherd 2, He's Coming to Me and Make It Right. He attended Assumption College to finish his secondary schooling. He graduated from Sri Narayan University College of Social Communication Innovation with a bachelor's degree in film and digital media. Began his career in entertainment in 2016 when he starred as Frame in the television series Make It Right on M-Code HD. He later returned to the role in the second season of the show in 2017. He then starred in a number of dramas including Beauty Boy the series, Bangkok Ghost Stories Rescue and Siam 13 Hours. Set upon Panichrak Sapang, the managing director of GMM first asked him to try out for a future series before he joined the network. Following his acceptance of the invitation, he was teamed with Prachaya Rangkroj to play an adult turn in He's Coming to Me. He portrayed the primary character of Dew in the Thai love film Dew. In the 2021 season of Bad Buddy, was paired with Korapat Kit Pan Nanon. In January 2023, he and Korapat met fans in the Philippines. At the 2020 Line TV Awards, he was recognized for his skills as an actor by winning Best Dramatic Scene for the GMM TV serial He Is Coming to Me. His performance in Dew earned him Best Supporting Actor at the esteemed 28th Bangkok Critics Assembly Awards 2020. Is the owner of the apparel brands No Excuse and Me Heart BKK. Profession of is an actor. Zodiac sign of is Aries. Height of is 1.86 meter. Weight is 72 kg. Religion is not known. Nationality is Thai. Currently, is single. Net worth is around $1 to $10 million. Pawar Chidsavangti Instagram account. He has 5 million Instagram followers. Eyes color is black. His hair color is black. Since they have collaborated on numerous shows and acted as a pair in a few, Nanon Korapat is the actor with whom he is the most intimate. The majority of his roles were in the main cast. There are 16 actors in the GMM TV Pillars new generation, including him. He is frequently characterized as pleasant and kind-hearted by his friends, family, and co-workers. Aham is quite active on social media. In 4th grade, he began to collect model vehicles. Aham's brother is younger than him. His interests include playing games, singing, painting, and visiting natural settings. Subscribe for more videos.